I get asked a lot about what's the ideal page length for SEO, like how long should my post be? And of course,
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
the answer is different for different types of pages and different niches. Some are more competitive, some are less competitive. Generally, if you have a blog post in a small niche, 300 to 500 words and a picture and a video embed should be a fine start. If you're in a competitive niche, you want to go for longer, 1,000 to 5,000 words. Yeah, I know that's a lot of writing. I know. If you have a product sales page, that's not the same as a blog post, right? A blog post is just a content article. A product sales page is like a sales page that people land on and maybe they're shopping for a product. Then you just want to fill out the description, make it full and interesting. Descriptions are typically not that long, although they can get long, but you just want to make sure that it's an interesting product description, that it reads well to potential clients so that they also buy, but also uses keywords. And of course, if it's your homepage that we're talking about, well, you want to make it as long as it's necessary to tell the story of your business, how it helps people, build your credibility, a little bit about you, talk about your services, explain who your ideal customer is and who isn't. And throughout all that, of course, use your keywords and you'll have some opportunity to use text. So if you comprehensively explain about your work, you'll probably have enough content there to rank for some keywords. And just keep in mind, good is better than long. Don't stretch it out unnecessarily. But I will give you a strategy that takes into consideration the best of both worlds. And that is, for any niche, you can start with a page with just a few hundred words so you don't overinvest into it at first. Put it out quickly, see where it ranks, and every week check in, like maybe it's number 50 for its keyword. Okay, add some photos, add some text, add some videos, maybe get some links into it. Check back in a few weeks. Okay, maybe it bumped up to number 20. So then, okay, it's working. So add more content, add more videos, add more text and pictures, and then you'll see, oh, it's ranking higher and higher. And so do this process all the time, and you'll build it up over time, and it will prevent you from over-investing a lot of time into one page that may never rank. So at least you won't spend too much time on it. And also, if you think about a topic like business ideas versus protecting business ideas, well, it's a lot easier to rank for the keyword protecting business ideas with a page that targets it than it is to rank for the keyword business ideas. So for the word business ideas, you might have to really put a tremendous amount of work into it. And for a keyword like protecting business ideas, or even protecting mobile app business ideas, you see how I went double long tail, protecting business ideas, and then I threw in mobile app. If you do that, then maybe a shorter article that's on point and still interesting will be enough to rank for that long tail keyword. So that's approximately how long your posts and pages should be for different situations.